Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. IKEA is renowned for its innovative and functional chair designs, optimizing the perfect blend of form and function. The essence of IKEA's chair designs lies in its commitment to simplicity, affordability, and sustainability. IKEA chairs are characterized by clean lines and minimalist aesthetics, making them versatile addition to any space. Whether you are furnishing a contemporary apartment or a rustic cabin, IKEA's diverse chair offerings cater to a wide range of tastes and preferences. One of the standout features of IKEA's chair design is the ergonomic focus. These chairs are not just aesthetically pleasing, they are crafted to provide comfort and support even during extended periods of use. Whether it's their iconic Pong chair, which has been a symbol of Scandinavian designs for decades, or their various dining chair designed to enhance the dining experience, IKEA prioritizes the user's well-being. Moreover, IKEA is deeply committed to sustainability. The chair design often incorporates sustainable materials and production methods, aligned with their broader mission to create a more sustainable future for all. Many IKEA chairs are made from renewable resources, recycled materials, or are designed for easy disassembly and recycling, reducing their environmental footprint. In conclusion, IKEA chair designs represent a harmonious fusion of style, comfort, and sustainability. With their commitment to affordability and their ability to adapt to diverse living spaces, IKEA chairs continues to be popular choices for those seeking both form and function in their furniture. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.